Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 super easy and quick high buns for every day. For our first one, we want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections, bring them up and make 2 ponytails. But on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, leaving the ends out. Then you want to grab the ends, wrap around our fun buns like I'm showing, and tuck her into the elastic the ends. So we'll repeat on other side as well. Now you want to bring one of our fun buns through another one like I'm showing and pin it from the sides. I always like to brush my parting so there are no scalp showing. Also you can use some grips to fix it in place and you're done. For our second high bun, we want to select our hair into a very high ponytail again, making sure everything is nice and smooth. We want to tie another elastic onto our ponytail like that. Now we want to bring our ponytail up and pin it in place of our base of our second elastic using 2 bobby pins. Now we want to fan out our bun and pin it from the side. And then grabbing the ends, we want to tie it like I'm showing. Bring the ends inside and pin them in place. Use as many pins and bobby pins you need and your second bun is ready. For our next hairstyle, again we want to gather all our hair into a high ponytail. We want to bring it up and use 4 or 3 good long bobby pins to fix in place our ponytail. Then we want to tease a little bit our bun inside, smooth it out outside like that and tie the ends with a clear elastic. Then you want to roll the ends inside of our bun and pin it at the elastic at the base of our second elastic. Also you want to fan it out and pin it from the side using grips and bobby pins. In my opinion, this one looks like a croissant bun. For our last but so easy hairstyle, we'll use a voluminous scrunchie. Begin a simple ponytail. Make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Then you want to fix with your hand with these constructions and wrap the hair around. And then you want to wrap your hair elastic and you're done. You can use some bobby pins and grips to fix it well in place. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Guys, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave me in comments down below which of these hairstyles was actually your favorite one. Bye!